if you want to help out the channel, you can head over to my Patreon, try to get yourself a mug, sticker, or tote bag. There are tier systems set up over there. I will put the link in the description, and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss any of my live streams. I do exclusive giveaways. You can try and get yourself a Zippo, and also I'll have a PayPal link in the description too if you want to donate to the channel that way. Alright everybody, I have a special video for you today. I'm going to be showing you how I send my Zippos in for repair, and this is going to be a test for everyone so we can have it documented on YouTube. How Zippo is going to handle the vintage, rare, collectible, damaged Zippos you send in for repair, and we're going to find out. We're going to see how they do every which way, and I even added in a bonus Ronson lighter. It's like a Ronson type Zippo basically, and we're going to see if they'll fix it. I'm going to throw it in there, I'm going to send it in, see if they fix it. It was given to me by Limp Wick. You can check out his channel. He sells Canadian Zippos and everything like that. He's a distributor here in Canada. Good guy. So first off, what you want to do is you want to assess the damage of your Zippo. What's wrong with it? Why am I sending it in? Everything like that. You want to get a piece of paper and you want to write down very, very legible, readable, whatever word you got to use. You want to write down and make sure that they know what you're doing to it and what it is. So this one we all remember, Zippo Daily Fix. Jeremy, he sent this to me. I had it out for 2 hours. I was running across a busy street and a truck ran it over. I was so pissed off. Like, it's a pretty damn collectible lighter, and it's pretty rare. So I was pretty upset about that. So what I did was I put a note in there. I put the extra piece in there. And we're going to see if Zippo can fix this. The lid is just bent a little bit, and these pieces are just bent a little bit, need to be glued on. That's really the only thing wrong with it. You can see here, like a few pieces, they're just bent a little bit. You can straighten them out, glue them back on. We'll see if Zippo will go through with that, or if they just want to replace it, or what it is. So in the note I wrote with it, I wrote, this Zippo is a rare Marlboro worth 75 to 100 USD. If this can't be fixed, please contact me, and then we'll find out what happens, right? So they'll email me and tell me back. All the parts are in here. Now, that lighter, I wrote the note a little bit differently because, like I said, it's more of an experiment. We're going to see if they're going to be able to fix this, or what they're going to do in something in this situation for a rare collectible lighter that has been broken. So we're going to find that out. And then next, I put a Camel Lighter in there. The hinge has been broken off. It needs to be replaced. Now, I know Zippo will fix this and it'll be fine, so I wasn't really looking for any replacement value. I've sent in matte Zippos before, old collectible ones. What happens is, where the weld holes are right here, actually, I'll show you exactly what they do right here on my father's Zippo. Oops, jarred the camera a little bit there. On my father's Zippo, I sent it in. It didn't have these holes here, obviously, before. It was the first Camel ever made. They put those there and fixed the hinge. The hinge was completely off like this one. So this is what I'm expecting back from them. I know they can fix it. I put in the note, I'm aware that the paint will be taken off in some spots. I'm fine with that. I don't care. To have it fixed and to have the original Zippo and might have a little damage on the paint, I am completely fine with that. That does not bother me. So in the note, I wrote basically as such, right? I just wrote rare Camel Zippo, 50 to 75. I understand the paint, sorry, I don't know why I read it like that. The paint might get ruined fixing the hinge. Also needs a new insert, brass pipe insert would look cool with the orange. So I put that in there. We'll see if they give me a brass pipe insert. I thought maybe that would be cool to try and get, because I know they'll fix this. I know they will. Like I said, I've showed you the example. They will fix it. And then in this one is a rare 70s Niagara Falls. The hinge is broken. So this is the note I wrote in this one. I had put rare 1970s Niagara Falls Zippo needs new hinge and insert. Now this is an important part, guys, when you're putting in collectibles that you do not want to lose. You have to put in, please return all original parts if can't be fixed. And can I get a pipe insert if possible? I wrote in that one, right? So this will just be a fixed hinge. They will fix this, no problem. They have no problems doing this. Like, this isn't going to get ruined or anything. I just add in there about the original parts just in case. You just want to be safe. You want to cover your tracks. You don't want there to be any confusion about it, right? Don't forget, they're doing this to a ton of Zippos every day. It's not like your Zippos you send in are some special treat for them. It's not. That's not how it goes in. They get Zippos every day in the repair shop. They need to know details. They need to know what you want. And then, so the last one is a 2000 Niagara Falls, and I put a very similar note into it too. Rare 2000 Niagara Falls Zippo, my only one. Needs new hinge. Please return all original parts if can't be fixed. Also needs new insert. And there you go. That's basically how you're going to put the notes in. And then for this one here, I haven't written the note yet, but I am going to write it. It's just I ran out of paper. I need to grab some more paper. I just wanted to film this video while I was doing it. So in this one here, I'm just going to write, I know this isn't a Zippo, but Zippo owns Ronson. Can you weld this hinge back on for me? And it's the hinge that comes with it, right? And we'll see if they do. Let's see if they will fix a non-Zippo Zippo. They do own Ronson. We'll find out. It'll be a funny thing. None of this we're going to find out until after. It'll take 4 months, unfortunately, to get these back. But now I just want to show you how I wrap these. So when I get this in, what I'll do is I'll take my Zippo, right? I have the note and everything inside. I save the bubble wrap paper from all the packages I get for exactly these reasons. And then when I send it out, I loop it over. I fold it over this way, fold it over this way. Then you can use any tape you want. I just use painter's tape and I go right over it so that ain't opening up, right? That's completely wrapped up in there. Nice and tight. And then I just saved one of my boxes and I'm gonna stack them all up in there, nice and safe. They're all wrapped in bubble wrap and tape. They're not gonna come loose. That's how I ship them. So like I said, we're gonna find out probably in about 4 months what happens, the results of all this. I'm going to be shipping these out soon. I have some other things to ship to some prize winners and things like that. I have to do it in stages. I can't ship it all at once, unfortunately. It's too expensive, so I have to ship it out in stages bi-weekly. And I'll be doing that. People are going to be getting their things. I have lots of things to send out. So take care. I hope to see you in a live stream tonight. And that's how I send in my Zippos, guys. And we're going to find out what happens to rare collectible Zippos and what we get back. So take care.